Welcome back from your holidays. It's time to do business again. On Monday, August 29th, we are launching the first of a new series of 5 online industry meetings, and we kick off with the hottest topic of all, photonics packaging, assembly, and testing. These meetings are deep dive interactive discussions where we focus on end users' needs in several important market segments, from co-packaged optics in data centers to FMCW Lidar in automotive. For instance, to address co-packaged and pluggable optics, we'll hear from the major market leaders like Cisco and HGGenuine, both telling us what they need from the photonic industry. And how about Lidar? You may know that recently, Luminar acquired Freedom Photonics. What does this mean for the new roadmap, and how can the Optica Industry Network help them develop the right package for FMCW Lidar? I am delighted that Jan Vardaman can join our discussion to explain what photonics packaging can learn from semicon. She brings us a specialist knowledge from the semicon industry that's essential for hybrid solutions just around the corner. And last but not least, Gordon Killer from DARPA will explain their photonics in the package for extreme scalability program. In our discussion related to opportunities for our members in this DARPA initiative, we will discuss the Pipes project, which has performance goals that will blow your mind. So if you want to be in the Zoom room to contribute to the conversation, you need to sign up for the meeting right now. You'll find full details on our events page for August 29th. Thank you to the 400 plus people who've already signed up. I knew you've been waiting for this. Let's start strong. Onward!